Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect painkiller cocktail like a pro. The Painkiller Cocktail is beautifully concocted with dark rum, tropical juices, and a touch of nutmeg. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a tall glass of about 14 ounces, or 400 milliliters. Now pack up the glass with fresh ice cubes. I always recommend to use fresh ice cubes, as it melts slowly, and keeps the cocktail fresh for a long time. Pour 1½ ounces of dark rum. You will be surprised to know that the sweetness of dark rum actually because of the caramel, which is used to intensify the dark color. Pour 2 ounces of orange juice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. For the most exciting part, please watch till the end of this video. Pour 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Lastly, pour 1 ounce of coconut milk. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now shake all the ingredients without ice, and pour straight up into the glass. The Painkiller Cocktail was created in the 1970s, at the Soggy Dollar Bar at White Bay, in the British Virgin Island. But in 1989, the Pusser's Rum Limited got the trademark of the recipe, and the name of this cocktail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Pour a little bit of coconut cream on the top of the cocktail, so that it looks more gorgeous. Now slowly grate a little bit of nutmeg on the top of the cocktail. And this will give an incredible burst of warm taste and aroma. I will be happy if you try this amazing cocktail at home, and share your experience with your family and friends. Now I will garnish this cocktail with a beautiful pineapple flag. The Painkiller Cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, keep watching.